Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to grade 6th Hindi online class. Are you fine? I hope you are fine and safe at home. Have you studied all letters? Yes, I think. Today we are going to learn lesson 1. The topic is Matur Vandana. Before going to start the lesson, I am going to ask some question to you. How many of you wish your mother every day? Will you wish all? Yes, I think all would have wish your parents. You have to wish your parents every day. There is a proverb. Mother is a visible God, God is a invisible mother. I think you would have understood this. So all have to wish your parents. Here the poet is wishing the motherland as a mother. Why? Because this land is giving us everything and we are getting everything from this land. So we have to respect our motherland. Do you know which is our motherland? Yes, India is our motherland, isn't it? Okay, now we can come to the topic. You all look the book, page number 3. The topic is Matur Vandana. Matur Vandana. Do you know Matur? Mata, mother. Matur Vandana means Vandana many meaning we have salute, prayer, prize. Okay, here salute to mother. Salute to mother in Tamil, Thaye Vanakkam. The author is described in this poem, the motherland is as a mother. Okay, now look here. मेरी मातृभूमि को मेरा वंदन है. You have studied all the letters, Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar, Barakadi, all the letters you have studied. But I don't know whether you can read or not. One more simple way I am telling to read this. Before reading, we look this one. Suppose you have to read this, मेरी मातृभूमि को मेरा वंदन है. So whatever letter if we study also, once you practice only you can read well. Now one simple way I am giving to you to read. You have to write a booklet. You have to take a booklet like this and you have to write all the letters. Only this much letters you have to study. Look here. The Swarakshar is there. Barakadi, Kakagi is there. The symbol is there. Vyanjanakshar is there. The Ardhavanyan of letters are there. With this you can study. Now listen here. Mary, you have to find the word Mary. You are looking in the book. So find in the word ma here. It's a ma. I think you can see here ma. So you have to take this ma here. Kaka, kiki, even down I have given the symbol. Down in that place you have to bring the ma. Ma, ma, me, mu, mir, me. Okay, next you have to find the re. First you have to ra. Ra is here, then you bring it here. Ra, ri. The word become Mary. Like this you have to find. Okay, Mary. Mathur Bhumi. Mary means my. Mary Mathur Bhumi ko mera vandan hai. Mary Mathur Bhumi ko mera vandan hai. Mary means my. Mathur Bhumi means motherland. Mera, my. Vandan, salute. Okay, now listen. Mera, mere, meri. This 3 word. Mera, meri, mere. 3 word meaning is my. Female they will use Mary. The next word, if the word is female, Mary. The next word that is male, mera. It is plural, mere. So here Mary Matrurbhumi ko mera vandana. Matrurbhumi, what's mean of Matrurbhumi? Motherland. Vandan means salute. My wish to my motherland or my salute to my motherland. My salute to my motherland. Why my salute to my motherland? Because the motherland is carrying us always and everything, it is giving us everything. So the other is wishing the motherland. मेरी मातृभूमि को मेरा वंदन है. इसकी मिठी धूल महकता चंदन है. इसकी वर्ड्स में मिठी धूल महकता चंदन है. Its soil is like fragrant sandal. Sandal we will get the good smell. Chandan means sandal. Mahatta means fragrant. Dhool dust, soil of the dust. Okay, mitti dhool mahatta chandana is its soil is like fragrant sandal. Next, केल केल जिसकी गोदी के पलने में, the other is telling I was playing in this motherland, the mother's lap of the mother. I grow on the lap of mother. He is telling the motherland is the lap of mother. Okay, केल not to play. केल I was playing lap of the mother and grown up. केल जिसकी गोदी के पलने में रहा झूलता पला पैर पर खड़ा हुआ. Then he is telling I was oscillate in the motherland and grow in the motherland. I stood with my leg in the motherland. Okay, रहा झूलता पला पैर पर खड़ा हुआ. झूलता means to oscillate, झूलना. पला to grow. पैर leg, words mean पैर leg पर खड़ा हुआ. I stood with my leg in this motherland. I grow in the motherland. I oscillate in the motherland. Okay. Next, जिसके आसमान के नीचे आंचल में. I stood with my leg in this motherland and I was living under the sky in the end. Okay, जिसके आसमान sky, आसमान के नीचे आंचल में मैं नटखट चंचल शिशु इतना बड़ा हुआ. मैं नटखट, what's mean नटखट? Naughty. Sanjal, restless शिशु. The child always will do something, misuse, naughty things. But the mother will beat, no? The child do some mistakes or doing something, the mother will give beat. But this motherland is not doing anything to us. मैं नटखट संजल शिशु इतना बड़ा हुआ. I grown up. I did all the naughty things in this motherland. I was a restless child. Even my motherland did not do anything. जिसने मेरे लिए सगा सब, all the naughty things, what I have done, all the naughty things the motherland has tolerated. कहा न कुछ, कहा, said न कुछ, did not say anything. जिसने मेरे लिए सगा सब, सगा tolerated, sub all the naughty things, what I have done, everything tolerated. कहा न कुछ, it did not do anything, did not tell anything. 100 बार उसे मेरा अभिनंदन है. So my 100 salute to my motherland, my 100 respect to my motherland. Next, I think you are clear this stanza. Next, look here. मैं दुनिया में देश बहुत, लेकिन मैं दुनिया में देश बहुत सुंदर, लेकिन मेरी मातृभूमि की शोभा न्यारी है. स्वर्गलोक की सुषमा सुंदरता गरिमा एक एक कर इसके सम्मुख हारी है. हम सबकी आशाओं अभिलाषाओं का कल्प वृक्ष यह नंदन कानन है. दुनिया में देश बहुत सुंदर. डू नो व्हाट्स मीन दुनिया? वर्ल्ड. देश मीन्स कंट्री. बहुत सुंदर, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. लेकिन बट दिस वर्ल्ड इज ब्यूटीफुल, बट इन दिस वर्ल्ड आवर कंट्री इज द वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वन. लेकिन मेरी मातृभूमि की शोभा न्यारी है. दिस वर्ल्ड इज ब्यूटीफुल, बट इन दिस world, our countries, our motherland's beauty is wonderful. Nyari, wonderful. Motherland's beauty. Shobha, what's the meaning? Shobha, beauty. Beauty of the motherland is wonderful. Swargalok ki susma sundarada garima. Swargalok, you know, all Swargalok. What's the meaning of Swargalok? Swargam Naragam we will say. Swargalok means heaven. Swargalok ki susma, beauty. Sundarada also beauty. Garima, dignity. If we compare the heaven's beauty and dignity, एक एक कर इसके सम्मुख हारी है. It will fail in front of beauty of our land. So comparing Swargalok's beauty and the heavens beauty and dignity, our motherland's beauty and dignity is the best one. ओके हम इसकी आशाओं अभिलाषाओं का कल्प वृक्ष एक नंदन कानन है. हम सबकी अभिलाषाएं, सबकी वर्ड्स में सबकी आशाओं, आशा होप्स. Our land is fulfilling our hopes and desires, abhilashaon, desires. Like kalpa vriksha, like a tree. The tree, it will give fruits, flowers, everything it will be given. So like that, the land is like a kalpa vriksha. There is a vriksha like this kalpa vriksha. It will give always the flowers, fruits, everything. So like that, this land is giving us everything. This is like a garden, this forest, kanan. Like if our land is like a greenery, isn't it? This greenery always will give something to us. So our hopes and desires it will fulfill. Our land will fulfill. So the other is wishing the motherland again and again, because it is giving us everything to us. It is always carrying us like mother. When the mother is carrying the child, she never keep it down. No, like that the mother is, this land is carrying us always. Whatever mistakes we do also, it is not doing anything to us, isn't it? So our mother, everyone have to respect our motherland. So everyone have to respect our motherland, and you have to respect your mother also. Okay, now I am going to complete from this. Then this meanings you have to study, you have to write in the booklet, and you have to study. Just 12 words I am giving till here. Look. Mathrubhumi. What's the meaning of Mathrubhumi? Motherland. I said this, how to read Mathrubhumi. Can you read this, Mathrubhumi? How can you read this? You have to take your booklet. Letters you have written now, that you have to take. Please don't tell this, I don't know. Once if you are not trying, you will tell always, I don't know to read, I don't know to. Once you know to read, it is very easy to learn for you, because less portion giving. So reading is must. We must know many languages. So Hindi is also is one of the easy language if you know to read. Okay. So please children, I have given all the materials to read. So you try to read. Now what is the word? Mathrubhumi. What's the word? Mathrubhumi. Try again and again. Repeat the words again and again, because we are not using any other time these words. So won't come from the mouth. So you have to practice again and again. Mathrubhumi. What's the word? Mathrubhumi? Motherland. Vandan. What's the word? Vandan. Indan. This word I didn't teach you this one. How you have to pronounce this. Listen. Vandan. This already we have learned this one. For example, this Ganga. Ganga. Chanda. Chanda. Amba. Anda. Look here. This Ganga, the last Nga letter, no? Ying. Ga. After this letter, Gum we have studied, but we are using here different way. Look. Gum we are here Ying using, here Yin using, here Yimb using, here Yind using. Why no? After this dot, next letter we have to see. Ga. Next letter Ga. This letter's last letter pronunciation. Ka, Ka, Ga, Ga, Nga pronunciation. Ying. This letter won't come as first. It will come with the other letter. So Ganga. Because of this, we have after the dot, next letter we have to see this letter's last letter pronunciation. Okay, this line last letter's pronunciation you have to pronounce here. So Ganga. Here it is Chanda. In. This is the Tata, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na pronunciation. Tata, Da, Dha, Na. In. This letter is Da, belongs to this line. So Da. So its pronunciation is in, Chanda. Next this Ba, look here Yimb, here because of this Ba. Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma. So it is Amba. Look, because of this Ba, we have to use this one, Yimb, Amba. Next Anda. How is it? Ta, Tha, Da, Da, Na. We have to use this Anda. So Vandan. See how this va, this because of the in Vandan. Now understood this? Till Ka, Cha, Ta, Ta, Pa. through this line, remaining in or im will come. We have to pronounce in, suns are like that. Other letters. Yeah, after that symbol, yara, lava, something is in you have to pronounce in or im. Okay, are you clear? You have to read like this with the help of a letter. Now, Vandan, what is the meaning of Vandan? Salute or prayer. Vandan, what's the meaning of Vandan? Salute. How to read this one? Vandan. This is Matru Bhumi. Next, Mitti. This is also me, mama, me. It, so off letter. That down this galant must be. Mitti, soil. Mitti, soil. Next, Dhool. What's the meaning of Dhool? Dust. Dhool, dust. Next, Mahatta. Mahatta. Mahaka, mahak. Already I taught you this. Mahaka, mahak. Ta, mahakta. Good smell. Mahak. Next, ta is there. Mahatta. Good smell. Is pala, palna, to grow. Pala, palna, to grow. Next, abhi, nandan. Symbol is there, so we are reading as it is. Abhi, nandan. Here, inda, and nandan. Abhi, nandan, to respect. Abhinandan karna, to respect or respect. Abhinandan means you respect. Okay, only respect enough. Nyari, strange or wonderful. Nyari, strange. Susma, what's the word? Su is Shushma, Sushma, beauty. Shu is Shusha, Shushma, beauty. Next, Garima, dignity. Next, Abhilasha, desire. Next, Kanan, forest. Abhilasha, desire. Kanan, forest. Children, you have to write in the classwork these 12 meanings and you have to study. This is a study portion for you. Okay? Thank you, children. Study well.